Boom, case. What? You need a case? You got a case. And it comes with a thing. I don't know why we call it a shovel. Because it comes with a shovel. So you can loosen it this way. Boom. Pack it up. Put that washer down. Snap it back up. Tighten it in. It's got a nice edge to it too. Hatchet attachment. Hatchet attachment.
Hatchet attachment.
So it comes with these pieces, and you can basically build whatever tool you need. I don't know why you would build this, but you could. Here's your mega flashlight. I don't know, maybe you do some, maybe you got that going on. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. It's a free country, guys. Hatchet attachment. Traditional kind of hatchet style.